Assalamu alaikum, grade 4. Today I am going to start unit 4, lesson 4, sentences. Make sentences from the table. Here is a table. You have to make the sentences. For example, when it's hot, I drink a lot of water. When it's cold, I wear a pullover. When I am tired, I go to bed. When I am thirsty, I drink a lot of water. When I am hungry, I have an apple. In exercise number 2, make sentences for these pictures with the help of the given words. Here they have given some words. You have to make the sentences. For example, when you heat water, it turns to steam. When you put water in freezer, it turns into ice. When you throw water onto fire, it goes out. When you arrive at crossroad, go straight on. When you reach end of the road, go over the bridge. When you get to the station, get off the bus. In exercise number 3, you have to punctuate these sentences. In punctuation, we put commas, full stop and the first word capital. When you are cycling in town, follow the safety rules. When W should be capital. Town, after the word town there will be a comma. Follow the safety rules, there will be a full stop. Follow these examples and fill this exercise. Students, now on page number 25, unit 4, lesson 5 is writing. Read and underline the syllables in each line that have the same vowel sounds. The first line is done for you. You have to underline the syllables in each line that have the same vowel sound. The nurse was reading verses and feeling worse and worse. Here, nurse and words are the same vowel sound words. I drew a blue moon while it grew and grew. Here, drew, grew and grew. She sang, children were picking flowers by the tar for hours and hours. Here, flowers, tar, hours and hours. I feel my knees hurt when I kneel, one said, when ours next meal. Feel, kneel and meal. Woman rang the bell in the well. Bell and well as a fisherman. Woman, fisherman tried to sell fish. Yesterday I read my book in bed in my red nightshirt, one said. Red, bed, red, said. Could you look for my coat, the one with the hood? Could, hood. She stood still and then put one foot on the pile of wood. Stood, foot, wood. Hungry monkeys were running up and down the trees. They must be looking for honey or money. Honey, money. One said, I saw a poor man who fought hard and then caught his foot in door. Fought, caught. He taught me not to say anymore. In exercise number 2, write the words with the same vowel sound in your exercise book like nurse, verse, verse. Take these words and write in your notebook. Like nurse, verse and verse, drew, grew and grew, flowers, tar, hours, field, kneel, meal, women, fisherman, bell, well, sell. Red, bed, said. Could, hood, stood, would. Exercise number 3. Listen to your teacher and complete the poem. Students, complete this poem with the syllables. One fine day in the middle of the dash night, two good boys got up to fight. Three blind men to see fair play, with 40 minutes to shout hooray. Back to back they faced their brother, took out their swords and shot each other. A deaf policeman heard the noise, ran to wake the sleeping boys. And if you don't believe it's true, ask the blind man, they saw it true. Grade 4. Now this is the application. For urgent piece of work, this is a pattern for writing an application. The principal, Allied School Murid Ke campus. Respected ma'am, it is stated with due respect that I have an urgent piece of work at home, so I can't come to school. Kindly grant me leave for one day. I shall be very thankful to you. Yours obediently, XYZ. Grade 4. Now this is your creative writing. My school. You have to write an essay on my school. This is your creative writing, so you have to write yourself. I am giving you the hints how to write an essay on my school. First of all, you will write the name of your school. For example, the name of my school is Allied School. The second one will be location of the school. Where is your school located? The third one can be the name of your director, name of the principal. How many students are studying here? You can make a sentence like this. There are 800 students. How many teachers are here? You can write about the building of the school. How many rooms are there? How many gates? You can write about cafe, playgrounds. So make an essay on my school.